What's up? It's your boy Tay Danes coming at you with a quick unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 6 stainless steel gold 44 millimeter. This watch also comes with the new blood oxygen monitoring system and also the ECG app exclusive only to the Series 6. As we get further into the unboxing, you can see Apple sticking with their very minimal packaging. Also to be noted, there is not a charging brick in the box due to Apple's reducing their carbon footprint and whatever else they're saying to save money and charge us more, so we give them more money. But as you see here, you got the normal documentation that no one looks at. As we move to the charger, there is a difference between this one and the aluminum models, where the stainless steel has like that stainless steel wrap around the actual connecting side, and the aluminum models do not have that. Something small but notable. Move that to the side, and let's get into the actual Apple Watch itself. It's now covered in a cardboard slide out. It used to be like a suede type of cover it used to be on it. It's kind of hard to get out, but as you can see, I'm kind of struggling with it. And there it is. Very beautiful. Really loving this gold stainless steel finish. Very happy with it. And here I'm unboxing the new gold Milanese loop. Very nice watch band, very casual watch band. You could throw this on pretty much anything. I mainly like to bring this out when I'm going out with my girl or wearing something, button down, wherever the case may be, but you can really wear it with anything. I really love this band. This is definitely my #1 band. Probably gonna wear this the most out of all of them because it just goes so well with that stainless steel gold. And, I rock a lot of gold, so definitely a good look. And here we're about to check it out on wrist. Man, I'm telling you, man, that gold just pops. Like, if you're looking for an Apple Watch that'll really catch someone's eye, gold stainless steel is the way to go. Very happy with this watch. I actually did try on the aluminum models, and to me it felt too light, real cheap to me. I gotta have the stainless steel. Here's a side by side with my gold Ray-Bans. The colors are not, clearly identical, but from a distance, it's not really gonna matter. Unless somebody hating on you, you should be fine. Here they are next to my 14 karat gold hoops. I mean, to me, it's closer than the glasses, but it's good enough for me. I mean, you're really not gonna know till you get up close and see if it's really what you want, but I like it. And then here it is in natural sunlight. Looks really good. It's not like that copper like finish that you had last year on the Series 5. Here I am just messing around with it, just checking so you can see the responsiveness of it. The last watch I had was the Series 3, and this is a huge jump. Way more responsive, the screen is better. Here's a demonstration of the blood oxygen monitoring. It's not medical grade, but it's good for a reference. You can always, get a real one off of Amazon and compare if you want. Heart rate monitoring, it's pretty much been there since day one. Always cool feature to have on hand. Sleep tracking, relatively new, but another great app. Here's a demo of the Atlantic Blue braided solo loop. At first I didn't really think I was gonna like it, but this is a very comfortable band. Definitely not worth the $100, but if it ever went down $40 at least, I would definitely recommend picking it up. The Series 6 is a overall great watch. Apple, you know, they always come with it. If you have the 1, 2, or 3, I would definitely recommend upgrading. If you have the 4 or 5, I would say wait. It's not a huge upgrade for you guys, but you know, if you want it, go get it. But as far as smartwatches go, it's the standard of the industry. No questions, no debates. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll have more videos on the way. Thanks for watching.